The next generation of Apple smartphones has the tech world buzzing, with exciting leaks and detailed reports suggesting the innovations we can expect in the iPhone 17 Pro. Earlier reports suggested that Apple plans to ditch the current square camera bump in favor of a rectangular one. Additionally, speculation swirled around Apple abandoning titanium frames and reverting to aluminum for the Pro models. However, newer updates now contradict this, indicating Apple will retain titanium, making the earlier rumors about the unusual camera bump questionable, though new evidence hints otherwise. A recent leak, originating from Weibo, showcases what appears to be a bare-frame prototype, sourced directly from the iPhone supply chain. Interestingly, this frame introduces a redesigned top-area camera placement, where the ultra-wide lens is reportedly set in the middle. This adjustment ensures enough internal space for the Face ID hardware housed directly across from the camera modules. Accompanying this, renowned Leakster digital chat station added fuel to the speculation by revealing a render of the phone. The back panel, according to these rumors, will combine aluminum and glass, with a significant glass section positioned at the bottom of the frame to maintain support for NFC, wireless charging, and signal transparency. The placement of the new camera island has also sparked debate. Visually, it resembles Google Pixel devices, particularly the Pixel 9 series' visor-like design. But with a noticeable difference, Apple appears to place its cameras higher. This placement raises ergonomic concerns, as it could make holding the phone horizontally challenging without unintentionally obstructing parts of the camera module. According to these prototypes, significant changes are expected compared to previous models. Rumors indicate that Apple is exploring a thinner and lighter frame, constructed from next-gen materials. The bezels around the display may shrink even more. Reports suggest a new, borderless OLED display technology is in the works. The display size itself is said to measure 6.1 inches for the Pro model, enabling an even smoother adaptive refresh rate reaching up to 120 Hz. According to credible sources, the A19 Pro Bionic chipset will power the device, built on a new and highly efficient 3nm process. Benchmarks suggest significant gains for high-performance tasks like gaming, rendering, and AR-based applications. Fast-charging technology could also see an upgrade, with predictions of support for 35-watt wired charging and MagSafe enhancements for faster wireless charging. Recent leaks hint at an updated camera setup featuring an upgraded triple-lens system and enhanced periscope-style telephoto lens for significantly better optical zoom, potentially reaching 10 times magnification. Video enthusiasts will also benefit from upgraded 8K video recording capabilities and ProRes features. The device may incorporate Wi-Fi 7 technology, which would deliver higher data speeds, lower latency, and improved performance in crowded networks. Face ID technology is expected to see improvements as well. While under-display Face ID may not make its debut just yet, optimizations in speed and accuracy are in the works. Meanwhile, another exciting possibility involves Touch ID making a surprise return as an under-display fingerprint sensor, catering to those who seek alternatives to Face ID in certain situations. Reports indicate that the highest variant of the device may offer up to 2 terabytes of internal storage, with the new device will launch with iOS 18. Custom widgets and advanced multitasking features may debut, alongside augmented reality enhancements that take full advantage of the device's LiDAR scanner and powerful hardware capabilities. As for the price, analysts predict it will start around $1,199 for the base variant. Are you excited about the improvements Apple is bringing to its next flagship? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech releases.